Welcome to all. So this video is about the introduction of CSS script. So what is a purpose for the CSS script? This is actually for to design your web page. CSS stands for cascading style sheet. So this is the interior designer of the web. While HTML provides a raw structure, but the CSS determines the colors, fonts, spacing, and overall layout. So in the CSS works by selecting a HTML element and applying a declaration of it. So a declaration consists of property and values. So there are three types of CSS it's available. One external and internal and inline. External means you are going to create a CSS file as a separate file. Internal means you are going to insert the CSS scripting into the head tag of the HTML. And inline, which means that wherever you want within a HTML program, you are going to specifically to the particular tag you are going to assign a CSS script. So in this practice I am going to demonstrate about external CSS script. So other things I will get to we will get to know about it through by the practice. So first I'm going to create one HTML file here. So this is a sample HTML file. So right now, I'm going to edit this HTML file. Okay, first I'm going to provide the title for this. H1 tag. Paragraph tag. So in a div tag we are going to create a class which named by the card. Okay, you can assign any name here. So this is not a keyword. So you can create any name of the card. Okay, you can use a card or any other name here. Okay, apple, mango, like anything you want. Okay, you can give it here. So in this case, in this tag I'm going to create a header 2. And okay, so right now this is a very simple HTML program. Okay, so right now I'm going to run this program. So you can see, so this is a very simple and without any color or without any design available here. Okay, so right now we are going to apply the CSS script for this HTML. So okay, so this is a very simple CSS program. HTML program of it. So first here I'm going to use one h1 tag and a paragraph tag and a divide div class. Okay, I used here. So this class name was I'm using the class name caught. Okay, so right now we are going to create a CSS file for this. Okay, right now I'm going to create a CSS file. Okay, I saved this style.css. so first I need to assign okay, so this CSS file into the HTML tag. Okay, in this header tag I must assign this CSS script. Okay, I must link this tag here. Okay, link so you can see it. Okay, you can see the style.css was listed here. I can use it. Okay, so right now successfully the CSS file was linked to this HTML. So right now we are going to set up the link CSS script here. So first here the header one tag. Okay, so right now we are going to create a CSS script for this tag. Okay, first before that you need to understand the syntax of the CSS script. The CSS script which contain three part. First one selector part and a property and a value. So what is mean by the selector and property value? First one we need to select it. Okay, which means that h1. So this is what mean by the selector. So right now we successfully selected it, and then we need to assign the property. What is the property? So here the color is a property. So the property must contain the value. Okay, first now we are going to assign the value of it. for example, some of the color. Okay, if I type it out, I can choose a color here. Okay, so right now I'm choose. So this is a RGB color which determine this code. So this is a selector. This is a selector, and the h1 is a selector. Header 1 is a selector, and the color is a property, and this is a value. So these are all the three elements of the CSS script, right? So now go to the next one, text align. Text alignment. Okay, we are going to align it into the center. And font family. Okay, so you can choose any of the font family you want. Okay, here I choose this one. Just to save it. Now you see that, okay, it's into the center of it. Okay, so this is not I don't like this. The same one, sorry. Okay, right, so it's changed the color. For example, simply I'm going to use any one of the header. Okay, any one header tag. Okay, so you see that this also implement the same design. So that is a beauty of the CSS script. Okay, I'm not designed this for center or any other thing separately. So just I determine this in the CSS script. So that is the power of CSS script. So right now we are going to provide we are going to take the paragraph color. So what is the color for? We are going to choose it paragraph color. We are going to take the color for paragraph, this one. Okay, right, any one of the color. And text align center, right. So now you see that, so the paragraph, so these two HTML tags are into the paragraph. Okay. Next, so right now we are going to take this div class. Okay, so this is a div element. So right now we are going to design this. So what is the name of this? Okay, here we provide the name card. Okay, so if you want to use this, so this is not the fixed elements of the HTML, so this is assigned by the user. So the header one, paragraph, these are all the elements which is a permanent, so which means the default element of the HTML. Okay, right now this is the class, this class name which provided by me. Okay, the card, the card which provided by me. So right now this kind of class I'm going to assign. So the style, the card contain to show the box model dot card. Okay, so this is a way you need to assign it. Width of this, so I'm going to use 300 pixels width, and margin 20 pixel, and padding 20 pixel. So in the margin I'm going to set it up auto. Okay, and border 5 pixel solid color. I'm going to choose a solid color, and I'm going to choose this color. Okay, right. And the next one, background color. I'm going to choose right, this color. Okay, I'm going to choose this is my background color. Okay, so you just see this is a design of it. Okay, so I just created a CSS script as a separate file. HTML is a separate file. We just link those two files to each other. So now it works very perfect. So now I hope you understood how does the CSS script and HTML work with together. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Okay, if you have any doubt or any questions, you can ask me. If you like it, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, see you in the next video.